The thing about schedules is that they don't account for adventure nor spontaneity. Without either from the day before, we would not have discovered this place, the Alpine Meadows Lodge in Golden, BC.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This place had been taken over by new management just before the pandemic broke out, and so it was hit pretty hard. And we were really happy that we were able to support these lovely people.
Good morning.
Morning.
What's for brekkie?
Oatmeal, fruit, yogurt, boiled egg, toast, tea, OJ. Part of a nutritious breakfast.
All right, this day is off to a good start. Cheers.
The beds were comfortable, and the views were amazing, and the vibe was rustic, and we really enjoyed ourselves.
All right, thank you, Janice.
Thank you,
Bye.
Janice.
Thank you. Bye. All right, time to roll out.
I'll take that pillow in the back. I'll put it
Our
in the back.
next destination is going to be, where are we going, Trevor?
Lake Louise.
Lake Louise, baby. Let's do this.
If it weren't for the spontaneity of spending more time in the Three Valley Gap, we would have passed through this area at nightfall or even in the dark, and we would have missed all this amazing scenery and been able to stop and just enjoy the flowers and the rivers and the cliff faces.
Wow, hey?
The nature in British Columbia, much like our license plates advertise, is supernatural.
Our safe journey flowers. Whoa, and safe flight droning.
Even with drone shots, the natural beauty of the Rockies in British Columbia and Alberta is really difficult to convey here on video. It's like you have to be there. Even in the car, you don't get a sense of being able to take it all in because you're craning your neck out the window and your head is on a swivel. Everywhere you look, there are just these amazing vistas and rivers and trees and cliffs, and it's more than you can just capture with a camera.
That's for wildlife. Wild animals to cross over.
Wild Rose Country.
Welcome to Wild Rose Country. Whoop whoop. We made it to Lake Louise. We just made it. Where are we? Lake Louise.
Lake Louise.
And these are double full parking lots. So people are here, people are visiting. I think we got one of the last parking spots.
It's a hike to get there.
Yeah, sweet.
Lake Louise is one of the most Instagrammed places in Canada, and for that reason, it was a little bit more crowded than most other places. It was actually pretty touristy for something that was in the middle of a pandemic. But the air was fresh, and there was lots of room outside for everyone to be socially distant, so it was very civilized.
Just found this on the ground. It says leadership. Amazing, because I am the leader of the pack. What happened to your sandals, Miss Linda?
Oh no, I put my toes in there.
Oh, and then was it?
Oh, okay. It was like fresh. We were making up stories. What were you?
Well, Marina was.
It was yeah, super fresh. Like you'd be cleansing.
Cool.
Beautiful. Want me to pull over here at the rest stop, guys? Yeah.
Kind of spectacular. Lunch will be a delicious Reuben. Woo-woo! You guys are my angels.
we're starting to get into flatlands a bit.